Hey guys, it's your girl Lashes Tony X. Oh, how are you guys doing today? Okay, so I actually got this sent to me in PR. So I didn't pay for this, but this video is not sponsored. So this is by Warby Parker, and I'm sure you've heard other YouTubers talk about this brand. So basically what it is, you can pick out 5 pairs of glasses. They also have sunglasses, which I just recently found out, and they asked me if I wanted to try the sunglasses as well, and I said yes. So I'm waiting on that box to come in, and if you guys want to see a sunglass try on, let me know in the comments and I'll do that one. But I picked out 5 that I wanted to try. So what you do is you try them for 5 days. You pick out which one you want. You send them back. They fix your prescription, whatever. And yeah, and in this video, I'm going to try them on. I'll probably type in the name somewhere up here so you can see which sunglasses are, not sunglasses, these are the actual glasses. You guys know, I've had these for years. I'm ready to get a new pair of glasses. I do have a new prescription, but obviously that can be easily transferred to these. So I want some new glasses. Help me pick them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try all 5 pairs on and put the names up here. Again, Warby Parker. It's very easy to send them back as well. They give you a label to mail back. I don't want to show you my address, but they give you a label, and they give you this little, explains how everything works and how you mail it back. A little bit like Stitch Fix, if you guys remember how I used to do Stitch Fix. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and do a try on. And like I said, I will type in the name so you'll know what they're called. So let's try these on first. You guys know, like, I'm kind of into the vintage look in glasses, so that's kind of what I went for. So here's the first pair. You can pick out, like, if you want narrow, if you kind of have a narrow, you know, face, nose, like you need them a little fitted. They have like narrow, they have wide, different ones. You basically customize and just pick out the frames that you want. So here's the first pair. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the next pair. Again, I'm only keeping 1 pair, so let me know in the comments which ones you think are the most stylish, because I want something different. I thought these are very different for me, because I don't usually go for, these are a little bit more squared off, I guess. They're not, I mean, they still have that little point, but put the name up here again. And these have a very cool, like, top part is darker and the underneath is lighter. And then they have like almost like a tortoise shell. It's almost like 3 different colors, so it's really cool. Okay, let's go to the next pair. Alright, these are the ones I was honestly most excited about, but when I tried them on, I wasn't sure. I don't know. I feel really smart in these. Let me know. I don't know if you, I don't know. They're kind of different. To me, I feel like, I don't know. They're a little, I feel like they might slide down my nose. But I only wear glasses for reading, to be honest with you. For when I'm typing on my computer, when I'm reading a menu, when I'm reading a book, whatever I'm reading, if I'm reading stuff on my phone, I have to have my glasses. So I do want a new pair, so that's why I decided to go. When they reached out to me, I was like, yes, I would love to. So anyway, here's these. I'll put the name again on the screen so you guys can decide which ones you think look best. My son Harrison picked these out. He thinks these are the cutest ones. It's like, Mom, I love those on you. So these are, the color is called Peacock Green. So there's a little bit of a fun color to these. And here's what they look like. Again, peacock green. Really fun. A little bit with the cat eye. You guys know I like to be vintage a little bit. And then last but not least, these are really cool, I thought. So, a little bit. These are a little bit of a smaller frame. And I do have a smaller face. So they might actually fit my face shape better. I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And again, these have a cat eye. Most of the ones I picked out have a cat eye. If I can think. And these do have like the tortoise color. And again, I'll put the names on. Just let me know in the comments because I gotta send them back. So yeah. So yeah. That's it. Just let me know in the comments, and I will put the link to the Warby Parker glasses. You just take a really quick quiz, and it takes like days to get this box in, like days. It was super quick. I think I got them in like 3 days. You take a quiz. You can also, like I said, do sunglasses, or you can do just regular glasses, prescription glasses, whatever kind of glasses you want. It's super easy. You can wear them for 5 days and then send them back. There's a return little sticker on the back. Very, very easy to do. It's free to get them, and then obviously you will pay for the ones that you choose. So thank you to Warby Parker for sending these to me. If you guys want to see the sunglass edition, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.